up right now. Caitlin next up.
Okay. Help. Okay. Well, I just raised like their entire team.
No, not them. I don't have anything on the inside and it could go faster. Just a regular cube. Wait till we saw it. Now hopefully I put these pieces back in the right spot or I'm screwed. So, ready?
Again? Oh, I was about to say. Oh, it's on our side. Drew's already got him. I'm stunned already. Okay, and they threw a grenade up here. Another one. Somebody get in there. You fucking them up, brother. I'm on it. I'm over here on this side. Okay, I got stunned from an imaginary grenade, so help me up. Help me up. Motherfucker took my kill. Okay! I was nowhere near that grenade, but I guess it's just a chain reaction if one of my teammates died. Okay, this caution kid's a fucking idiot.
Finish.